So the question number 6 says absorption of gas follows Friedrich's absorption isotherm. If X is the mass of the gas absorbed on the mass m of the absorbent, the current plot of X by m versus P is. So if you find X by m versus P of the whole graph of Friedrich's absorption isotherm, we will get to know as temperature increases, extent of absorption decreases. As the temperature increases, the absorption capacity of any substance decreases. Absorption capacity of any substance decreases. So the formula comes out to be x by m kp 1 by n, which is in non-linear curve, which is wholly divided by 1 by m divided by p, which is not a linear curve, and hence x by m when in proportion with p will always give a non-linear curve. So second is the correct answer. Thank you.